Today, I'm about to show you how to recreate one of the most viral video formats on the internet without spending a single dollar. No fancy setup, no expensive gear, just free AI tools and a smart approach. There's a YouTube channel called ClickMe, and their numbers are honestly ridiculous. We're talking 8.9 million views, 7.6 million, 4.7 million. Even their low videos are pulling 2.4 million. That's not luck, that's a pattern. And here's the crazy part. They're not doing anything complicated, just simple miniature boat videos, powered by AI visuals and creative storytelling. That's it. Somehow, that simplicity is exactly what makes people stop scrolling. It basically proves one thing. You don't need complex ideas to go viral. You need the right format, because simple plus strategic beats complicated every single time. And yeah, that's great news because it means you can start doing this today. In this video, I'm breaking everything down step by step, from zero to your first viral style video, even if you've never touched AI before. Step 1, generating viral ideas using ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT, head over to the Explore GPT section, and search for something like miniature boat generator. Once you find it, click Start Chat. Now this is where the magic starts. Run the generator and it'll instantly give you 10 different video ideas. Some of them might sound simple, but remember, simple is exactly what we want here. Pick any number you like, let's say number 3. The moment you select it, ChatGPT will generate 5 image prompts and 5 matching video prompts for you. Basically, it's doing all the thinking so you don't have to. Just copy the first image prompt and don't overthink it. Trust the process. Step 2, creating your images using Gemini. Next, open Gemini and switch to the image generation tool. Now go back, grab that image prompt you just copied, paste it into Gemini and hit generate. Give it a few seconds and boom, you've got a super realistic miniature boat image ready to go. This method is for long form videos, but if you want to create shorts, simply ask Gemini to regenerate the image in a 9:16 format. Within a few seconds, you'll have a version perfectly sized for short form content. Download it, and yeah, the workflow is almost stupidly simple. Copy from ChatGPT, paste into Gemini, generate, download. That's it. No design skills, no complicated setup. If you can copy and paste, you're officially qualified for this. Just repeat the same process for the rest of the prompts, and within minutes, you'll have a full set of high-quality images ready for your video. Step 3, generate videos using Flow AI. Head over to Flow AI, click on Create Video, then choose Frames to Video. Upload the first image you generated in Gemini. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the matching video prompt number 1, paste it into Flow AI, and hit Generate. Give it a moment, let the AI cook. Once it's done, preview it, download it, and congrats, you've got your first scene. Now just repeat the exact same process for the rest. Upload the second image, grab video prompt 2, generate, download. Then scene 3, same thing. Scene 4, same thing. Scene 5, you already know the drill. At this point, it's basically copy, paste, generate, download. If you mess this up, I might have to start blaming your Wi-Fi. By the end, you'll have multiple short video clips, each one matching your original idea perfect. If you want to create videos like this every single day without limits, I'd recommend using Meta AI. It works really well for this style of content too. Step 4, editing everything in CapCut. Now open CapCut and import all your clips. Arrange them in order, add some background music, maybe sync a few transitions so it feels smooth and satisfying to watch. Nothing crazy here. Simple edits work best for this style. Export in high quality, and just like that, you've created a full viral style miniature boat video using nothing but free AI tools. No experience needed, no expensive setup, just a repeatable system that works. And that's the whole process. Follow it, stay consistent, and you can start pumping out these videos fast. This is Reach Mora, and I'll catch you in the next one.